The question here is 5x to the fourth, all raised to the fourth power, that equals 5x to the eighth. The question tells us to explain the mistake and then work the question properly. So already looking at this, we know somewhere there's a mistake because the question told us so. So let's go ahead and remember some of our exponent rules and break it down a little bit. Whenever there is an exponent on the outside of a parentheses, we always want to make sure that the exponent exemplifies each one of the terms inside of the parentheses. So in this case we have 5 raised to the fourth power, and we also have x to the fourth raised to the fourth power. And that's how we would break that down properly. So 5 raised to the fourth power is 625. If we go over here and it says that 5x to the fourth raised to the fourth, all raised to the fourth, was 5, let's just talk about our coefficients for a minute. We can see then that this 5 wasn't raised to the exponent of 4 that was on the outside of the parentheses. 5 raised to the fourth power is 625. So that was the first error that was made. The next thing we need to remember about our exponent rules is that whenever we have an exponent raised to an exponent, we actually multiply the two numbers together. So x to the fourth raised to the fourth is going to be x to the 16th. Here they had x to the 8th, which tells us that they added those two numbers together when they really should have been multiplied. So those were the two errors made. The answer is 625x to the 16th. And errors again are the 5 did not get raised to the fourth power, and x to the fourth raised to the fourth. Those two numbers were added together instead of being multiplied.